church bell, though it was not Sunday, and the DEACON, he stood atop the pulpit. One last time, they gather at the church. The church is dead and so are the hopes, and the enemy gets ever closer. Destinies upon us. One last time, let us pray. Divine hands lead us one last time before we flee. Childhood memories, eating the trees and the rocks. It's all graves of gone ancestors. Farewell to our home, how the swans sing. One last time before we flee. The trip is dead and so